Toxicology. Father of toxicology, Jobson's. The word toxicology is defined derived from Greek words known toxicon meanings arrow यानी कि poison and the logos meaning of study or discourse. Toxicology was the during earlier times taken in result sense to a lay person. Toxicology is study of the adverse effect of chemicals on various biological systems, include humans. In a scientific way, toxicology is a qualitative study of and adverse or toxic effects of chemicals and their materials or xenobiotics or organism. Toxic effects may be expressed in several ways, including lethal effect, change in growth, development, reproduction, pharmacodynamic, pharmacokinetics, response pathology, biochemistry, physiology, and behavior. But in modern times, toxicology is taken in much or more wide sense than only the study of adverse effect of chemicals. Toxicology also concerned with the concentration or quantities of chemicals that can be accepted to occurs in the environments and therefore include also the study of the transportation, distribution, and transformation and ultimately fate of chemicals in environments. In order to distinguish modern toxicology from the classical toxicology, and term toxicology was used in 1974 by the Journal for the study of environment toxicity caused by the both natural and artificial substance on living organism. Toxicology. Scope of toxicology. Toxicology is the youngest science of poisons. Its scope has been enlarging. Toxicology is both science and like medicine and art is specialized through the toxicologist differs. One price define of toxicology. Central focus on toxicology is concerned with the adverse effect of chemicals on living organisms. ये भी सब बेकार है. साइलेंट फ्यूचर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन भी बेकार है.